guys! Welcome to my mini vlog. So guys, as you can see, ayan yung mga food guys. So bago tayo mag-start, start muna tayo. Take two. So, ayun, bago mag-start, babasahin ko na muna yung mga definitions. So, ito yung mga definitions. Sa protein are large, complex molecules that play many critical roles in the body. Sa carbohydrates naman, this is a naturally occurring compound or a derivative of such a compound, with the general chemical formula made up of molecules of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sa lipids naman, these are fatty compounds that perform a variety of function in our body. Sa nucleic acid naman, these are large biomolecules that play essential roles in all cells and. So yun guys, did you know that the pork and egg, ayun yung egg. Sorry guys, hindi kita. Yan yung egg at saka itong pork. Did you know that pareho silang rich in protein. So pati itong mango, alam niyo ba na meron siya 20 different na vitamins, ganon. So this bread naman is rich in complex carbohydrates. So syempre hindi mawawala yung rice, 'di ba? Never mawawala yung rice. Ayan. Rich din to sa carbohydrates, guys. Yun. So, ayan guys. Doon lang nagtatapos yun, guys. Yun na yun. Sure